Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to start off with Microsoft PowerPoint. Yeah, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Firstly, we obviously know this is the first slide where we are going to add our title. We can just click on it and we can start typing. Like for example, I want this name to be Quirky Tag. Okay? If you know things about that, I guess. Okay, so after we are done typing, we can do a lot of different things. Firstly, we can color it. If you don't want to, you can change it just back to black. We can, afterwards, we can also, give me a moment. We can also highlight it in a different color. If not, we can change it back to no color. Wait, sorry, every time you have to do something, you have to highlight it, no color. Then, not only that, you can bold this, italic, and you can underline it. If you don't want, you can get rid of all of them. And we can also do a stripe through with here. If you want anything, you can, if I'm not wrong, superscript this. If you don't want, you can also subscript this like this. But now we're not going to do that since this is our heading. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to bold this person look nicer, and I would like to change color to with a yellow. Okay, this should be good enough. Next, we're going to talk about the themes. I mean, not themes, sorry. It's under insert. No. The design. Yeah, then design, you can choose different things. You can choose this. There are a lot of different templates you can choose from, like this, because this fits what I'm doing today. So yeah, you go design for that. Afterwards, we can go back to home page and we're gonna add our subtitle. And for subtitle, it's gonna be by Quirky. And yes, it will auto caps everything. This is not a choice, depending on the thing you choose. Okay, next step, we are going to create a new slide. As you can really see here, we are just going to click here, create a new slide, but we can choose which one we want. But now we only want one, which is the standard one when you press add like this. Okay, then it comes with the text box. We can start adding things. For example, things about that. We're going to talk about Harmony OS. Let's just say you're part of a company that you need to do a presentation about, okay? We're going to talk about Harmony OS. Why is it so good? It is feature packed, okay? It is speedy. Actually, you see, it is features packed. Make it seem very long-winded, I guess. We can just say feature packed. Then under the notes section, okay, good. It's feature packed, and that is the wrong button. Feature packed. It is smooth, the operating system. Smooth and fluid, and it's also very fast. Yeah, that's probably under smooth. So yeah, these are two features, not features per se, but two things about Harmony OS. Currently, this is Huawei's operating system. You can also do a bracket here, Huawei. Yeah, and we can do a space here as well. Okay, as you can see here, very tiny column here. You can do notes. We can say, "Good morning, everybody. Okay, body, I will be talking about Harmony OS." So like this, we can really have our statement here talking. Wait. We can start by talking about Harmony OS. Why is it? What else is it like? We can enter again. It is made for Huawei and made for Huawei phones and other Huawei gadgets, I guess. Okay, devices will work, but gadgets, I guess. Yeah, so these are some of the few things. Then it's based on Open Harmony. We're just gonna write based on Linux kernel, since that's the major one. Okay, like this, we're done with our first slide. And for example, we want pictures, we can go to Google and search that up. But yeah, anyways, since I'm using Mac OS, if you want to copy this, unlike what you guys would do in Windows, for Mac OS users, use Command C. To paste, you do Command V. And for reversing what you have done, you can do Command Z and then reverse to the previous thing you've done, which is undo. And I want to redo that. So yeah, I'm just gonna redo that. Pausing. Okay, no. I'm just gonna Command V since I already copied it. So yeah. For Windows, remember, replace everything with a Control, because for Windows, everything uses Control V instead. So yeah. Next, you're gonna start on a new slide again. Same thing, since you're gonna make a similar thing. You're gonna be talking about the Linux Foundation, just Linux, I guess. What's so special about Linux? It's open source. It's free to use. It's also very you have a lot of freedom, I guess. You can use it for a lot of things, so it's for IoT and for daily use as well. So yeah, this is my 2-slide presentation about HarmonyOS and this. So yeah, let's just say it's like this, then we just want one more slide. We are just going to select a empty one. So now I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box by clicking this. Click here, and we're going to write thank you for listening. Okay, now we are just going to highlight this, come back here, we're going to make the font size 66 and see how does that do. Okay, this is nice. But so like this is a for presentations. Like if you have more, sure, go ahead. But now I'm going to teach you how to do transitions firstly. Yeah, and no, it's actually not transitions, animations. Transitions is for you to transit from slides, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, we're going to go animations. Click on this. You're going to let it just blinds it. Bako kita down here. We're also going to let it blinds in. And for HarmonyOS, we are just going to do, you can choose more. You're going to do a split in. And for this, we can highlight a specific one. Do strips. Then this one also strips. We do standardize for more, so it makes it look more natural. But yeah, and strips. And for the last one, we're also gonna do strips. Good, like this we're done. Next one we go here again. Now we're gonna do shape. We're gonna shape it. Okay, good. Now we're gonna choose the last one. We're gonna random bars. Random bars. Random bars. As the last one, random bars. Okay, and for the absolute last one, we are just gonna do it again. Okay, so now let me just do my presentation. Firstly, we're gonna go on the slideshow and we're gonna play from start. Like this, it'll show it. Sorry, we are just gonna end show for a moment because this is displaying on the wrong side of the screen, which is very sad. But yeah, we're gonna set up the slideshow. Play from. Okay, can I not? Okay, yeah. Good. For example, now I'm going to start. Firstly, I'll be good morning, ladies. And if I'm going to be presenting this, I have my presenter's notes on my second display. If you're doing a dual display, I'll swap displays so you see how it looks like on the other side. So this is what it looks like when you're presenting to people. So yeah, now I'm just going to move to swap back my display here so I can talk to you and show you what it'll be like if you're presenting. So I'll be like, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be talking about tag. So we are just going to click here to move forward. So we are going to be talking about tag, and this is made by me, and we can also change a pen if you guys want that. So yeah, let me continue first. Okay, so we are going to firstly be talking about Huawei's new OS, HarmonyOS. Firstly, it's feature packed, it is very smooth and fluid, and it's mostly made for Huawei devices and their phones. And HarmonyOS is also similar to Android, which is also based off the Linux kernel. Okay, so now we're going to talk about Linux. What's so good about Linux? It is open source, it is free to use, it has a lot of freedom, and it's usually made for IoT devices, and it can also be used for daily use, just like macOS or Windows. Okay, now thank you guys so much for listening. If you like my presentation, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just thank you so much for listening. Bye. Okay, so that's how I would usually present. I just ended the slideshow, and yeah, this is how you start up a quick presentation. I can do my presentations within 5 minutes if you're quick. So yeah, I challenge you guys to be able to finish it within 5 minutes of making a self-introduction PowerPoint slides and talk about yourself. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.